dear student, how are you? In this lecture, I want to discuss about the unit of rate constant of different orders reactions and temperature dependent rate of reaction as well as pseudo unimolecular reaction. Then first of all, about unit of rate constant for nth order of reaction. Unit of rate constant for nth order. Nth order means zero order, first order, second order, third order, and so on. Okay. Then we have to use the given formula to decide the unit of nth order reaction. Since unit of K for nth order reaction is equal to concentration to power 1 minus n into time inverse. This formula we have to use to decide the order of nth order reaction, and where you know here n is order of reaction. N is used here as a order of reaction. For example, as for the zero order reaction, especially we have taken the example of as a zero order reaction, and for the zero order reaction, you know, therefore n must be 0. Therefore unit of K, unit of concentration, mole into liter inverse to power 1 minus 0 into second inverse. Time, and the unit of time is taken in second. That is equal to, here n is equal to 0, means mole into liter inverse into second inverse. This is the unit of rate constant for first order reaction. Okay? By the same way for first order reaction. Now for the first order and especially first order reaction, n must be 1. The value of n must be 1. Okay? Therefore unit of K is equal to the unit of concentration, mole into liter inverse, power 1 minus n into second inverse. Now place n is equal to 1. The unit of a mole into liter inverse, power 1 minus 1 into second inverse. That is equal to second inverse, because it becomes 0. 0 means 1, right? By the same way, we can also decide the rate constant for second order reaction. For second order reaction, therefore n equal to 2. Therefore unit of K is equal to mole into liter inverse to power 1 minus 2 into second inverse. That is equal to 1 minus 1 means minus 1, means mole inverse into liter into second inverse. This will be the unit of the rate constant of second order reaction. Okay, and suppose if reaction is given in gaseous state and concentration is given in atmosphere, if the concentration is given in atmosphere for the gaseous reaction, okay, then we have to use the given formula to decide the unit of rate constant of nth order reaction. Therefore, unit of K is equal to, in place of concentration we have to write atmosphere power 1 minus En into second inverse. It is especially for those chemical reactions in which the concentration is given in pressure terms of pressure. Pressure is given as a concentration and whose unit is taken in atmosphere. Then we have to use this formula. And applying this formula, we can find out the unit of zero order reaction N is equal to 0, first order reaction N is equal to 1, second order reaction N is equal to 2. Okay? This formula is used to decide the rate constant of nth order reaction when the concentration is given in pressure, especially by taking in unit atmosphere. Okay? This is the process to decide the unit of rate constant of different chemical reaction, means nth order reactions. Right? Thank you.